family, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. This is Jared Palmer, your favorite sexy YouTube ginger DoorDasher guy. Let's go make some money. And today we're trying to find out how much money we can make in 4 hours. It's a little bit after 4 p.m. right now. That means we have until a little bit after 9 to come up with as much money as we can. Let's get it. I love y'all for real. Let's go. When I first started DoorDash, I always thought it was funny when I got to this screen because it's the checklist of getting ready to dash, and at the bottom it says hot bag, and I used to think that it said hot dog, and I always thought, I'm glad I'm working for a company that knows you need a hot dog when you travel. Headed to Carnitas, Michoacan, $13.50 for 6 miles. Let's go! Bag secured from Carnitas, Michoacan. Let's go! Headed to Cafe Rio, $6.50 for 2 miles. Let's get it! Dashing at Cafe Rio. Oh, and this pothole is like 5 feet deep. Oh. The potholes in my city will not only turn off your radio, unlock your doors, and make your car alarm go off, it'll rip your bumper right off the front of your car. Bag secure from Cafe Rio. Let's go. And I hit a pothole so big it should have had a lifeguard sitting there. We are headed to Chili's Bar and Grillies for $6.50 for 2 miles. Let's get it. Chili's order, bag secured. Let's go. I love when that happens. Our $6 delivery turned into a $9 delivery. Oh my God, you guys. We just bagged a unicorn. $16, Buffalo Wild Wings. Buffalo Wild Wings order acquired. Bag secured. Look, so much stuff it won't even fit my catering bag. All right, guys, we're at $60 in just under 2 hours. It's a great day. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Unicorns all day, baby. $14 for 4 miles. Let's hit that accept button. We're rolling, let's get it. So that one order for $14 ended up being 2 orders. Let's see if there's any hidden payments. Bag secured. So something interesting just happened. I walk into the restaurant to pick up my DoorDash orders, and there's an older lady there, already there to pick up an order. And they say, "Are you here for DoorDash?" She says, "Yes." And they say, "What is the name on your order?" And she goes, "That's not how this works. You tell me the name, and I tell you whether it's right or not." And they just like, okay, whatever. They look at me, they go, "What is your name?" And I tell them the name for my order. And she looks over at me and she goes, "No, that's my order. That's the order that I have." And I go, "Show me on your phone." And she's like, "I'm not gonna do that." And I was like, "Dude, DoorDash isn't like Uber. Like, you know, it's not like a trick. You know what I mean?" And I go, I can't pick up your order if it's assigned to you. So either you're lying or trying to steal some food. I don't know what's going on. So she asked me, "Is DoorDash like a competition, like first come, first serve? Like they just send out the order to everybody and whoever gets there first gets to do it?" And I was like, "No, they assign you the order and you just go pick it up. It's that simple." And she was like, "Oh, well, it's my first day." And I was like, "You don't say." Thought I was gonna have to throw hands with this old lady. I ended up spending about 10 to 15 minutes just showing her how the DoorDash app works and let her know that it glitches a lot. We just dropped off the first half of our Chinese food stacked order, which was $6. Let's see what the second one got for us. Oh yeah, let's go! So the total for that second stacked order was $8. Let's see what the total is altogether. Oh, that's not right. Come on. Piece of crap. I hate it when it glitches. Which puts us at $74 in just under 3 hours, baby. Let's keep this going. So my app is glitching and not sending me the deliveries, so I have to stare at my phone as it does. Anyhow, so delicious. Japanese wasabi, $7.50, 1 mile. Let's go. 25 minutes later, and we finally secured the order at So Delicious Japanese Wasabi. Ooh. PSA to any and all restaurant employees who may be watching this: if a DoorDasher asks you, how long will the order take? We are in absolutely no fucking way criticizing the amount of time it takes you to prepare food. We are literally asking you, how long is this order going to take? Because I am an independent contractor, I have the freedom to cancel this order and go make money elsewhere if I feel that it's going to take too long. Ah! I should have waited and not complained, and now I feel rather stupid. Watch, look at this. This beautiful man tipped me $10 more than what it was. So with the So Delicious Japanese wasabi order, we are at $91 in less than 4 hours. Let's get it!
Catering order for Chick-fil-A says it's $9. I forgot to get a shot of the original screen, but look at all this stuff. 17 items. Ooh, buddy.
That $9 Chick-fil-A order for 3.5 miles turned into $24.83, baby! And we love when that happens. Now we're headed to Costa Vida for a $5 order for 4 miles. And while I was in there, my one $5 order turned into 2 $5 orders. Let's see what happens. And we love stacked orders around this channel. Let's get it! So the total for the first half of that stacked order was actually $7.50. Let's go. Hello there, family. Jared Palmer here, your favorite sexy YouTube ginger DoorDasher guy. Let's go make some money. Today we're going to find out how much money we can make in 4 hours. We're trying to get the maximum amount of cash we can in 4 hours from DoorDashing. Let's get it.
Oh, shit. Someone's on the ground, for sure.
All right, family, it is just after 8 p.m. It's been 4 hours, and we made just over $150 with that last order of Costa Vida, second half of the stacked order being $5. I am exhausted. I'm going to go home, have a drink. I'm going to throw everything up on the screen, total it all up. Thank you guys for joining me. It's been a beautiful day. We killed a lot of unicorns today. It was amazing. Until next time, stay tuned. This is Jared Palmer, your favorite sexy YouTube ginger DoorDasher guy. Let's go make some money. I love y'all for real. Let's go drink, man.